Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to send an application on Frappe. So what you don't want to do is you do want to go to games, but you don't want to type up Frappe application center, because as you can see it doesn't come up with the actual one. Okay, as you see it doesn't come up with the actual one. So what you just want to type up Frappe in games. Make sure it's in games though. And just, yep. So once you're here, you want to click the first one with that guy standing on the front that says Frappe Cafe. And it'll take, if you click on it, it'll take you to this page. So what you want to do mainly is, it says buy Frappe up here. You want to click the Frappe and it should take you to the groups. And then you want to see it's Frappe for the first one. The second one, oh, and they also don't do interviews anymore, they do applications, so that's a little difference they changed. And then the second one is application, so you want to click on that. And then you just want to click play. And I've been kicked from the game because I've already sent an application. But I'm just going to show you how to do it. So before you make the application, you need to make sure to use grammar, don't troll, and it's not only for one question, for all these questions must be answered in a total of less than 240 seconds. Don't ask for your application to be read, and copying and pasting answers is forbidden. So question 1 is mainly, how would you greet a customer if they came up to your register? Type it here. What are some unique characteristics you possess? Write it here. Why do you want to work for Frappe? Write it here. What other companies have you worked at were similar to Frappe? Write it here. Please correct the following sentence. I come to this application center so I can work at Frappe. So mainly what you want to do, just fix it. So I came to this application center so I can work at Frappe. And you'll make sure you use grammar, because if you don't use grammar, they won't count it. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye!